Hello everyone. So today we'll solve a very nice question of mensuration area of square. Okay. So let's read out the question. Ram plans to tile his kitchen floor with square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter. Okay. His kitchen is 2.2 meter long and 1.8 meter wide. So the number of tile required, we have to find the number of tile required. Okay. So let's start. What we'll do first? First we'll find the area of kitchen. So area of the kitchen equal to 2.2 meter 2.2 meter into 1.8 meter, so square meter. But we have to remove this fraction, so I will write 22 divided by 10 into 18 divided by 10. Okay, square meter. So we have 99 divided by 25 square meter. Okay, now side of each square. Side of each square tile. Okay, so we have given side of square tile is 10 centimeter. This is given in centimeter, so we have to convert this into meter. Therefore, for 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. So for 10 centimeter, how much? Okay, so we have 10 divided by 100 meter, that is 1 divided by 10 meter. Okay, we did here cross multiplication. This is shortcut method. Side of each square tile is 10 centimeter. This is given in centimeter, so we have converted this into meter. Okay, now area of square. Okay, so first we'll write the area of square formula. Okay, so area of square tile equals to side square. We know the formula for area of square, so side square. So we have side length is 1 by 10 meter. Okay, so 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Okay, this comes 1 by 100 square meter. Okay, now we'll find number of tile required. So how do we find? We will divide area of kitchen divided by area of each square tile. Okay, so our area of kitchen is 99 divided by 25 whole divided by 1 by 100. Okay, So now we'll solve this. Okay, so 99 divided by 25, this is division sign, so we'll reciprocate, so we have into 100. Okay, so number of tile required equals to 396. Okay, this is our answer. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe.